Hello everyone and welcome to this new AutoCart tutorial. Today we'll learn how to automatically add a gift to the cart when a promo code is used at checkout. Of course, the promo code needs to be already active in the store. For this example, we will use a promo code free gift code already created with our app Super Easy. Now let's get started. From the AutoCart dashboard, click the Create New Rule button. To create a rule that adds a product to the checkout, you need to use checkout automation. Remember, to be able to create automation with AutoCart in the checkout is mandatory to have a Shopify Plus membership. In the title area, enter the rule name. We move down to the conditions menu, click and select the discount code rule. We can find it at the bottom of this list. In the second menu, we are going to define what our condition is going to verify, and we can select any if we want the name of the code to be the same, or partially contain if we want just target a part of the code. This is very useful if we have multiple code discounts that share the same word like gift, for example, or we can select is not null if we simply want any code will be used. For this example, we use partially contain. In set values, enter the promo code that is active in your store and you want to target. We define gift and we target all code that contains the word gift. Now to select the product, click the Browse button and choose the desired product from your store's inventory. You can define which variants to add automatically and set the quantities for each variant here. Great. Now one last step to make the product a true gift. Enable the switch in the Give Discount on Selected Products section. This will open two new fields, one to enter the message to display to the customer and another to define the discount percentage applied only to the product added to the cart. In our case, let's setting the percentage to 100. In this way, the product will be offered as a gift. Perfect. And now you need to scroll up to save the rule. Returning to the dashboard, the rule is already active, as you can see here. Keep in mind that the button next is Keep Alive button, which ensures the gifted product remains in the cart with the discount applied, even if the conditions are no longer met. So be aware of it when you create your own rule. Now let's see how the rule works in the store. As you can see, the cart is empty. Now I buy a product, and I go directly to the checkout. No products are added to the store because there is no discount code used yet. But if I add the discount code free gift code, we can see that the product that we selected is added to the cart automatically. Now, if I take off the code discount, the product is removed as we can see. But if now I add a new code discount that includes the word gift, then again the product is added to the cart automatically. As you saw, AutoCart gives you the possibility to enrich your code discounts or automatic discounts with just a few clicks and add automatically gift cards, discounted products, and special prizes to your customers. And remember, if you need assistance, our support team is available to help you.